Top 5 Best Lightweight and Heavy-Duty Vacuum Cleaners. Number 5. Black+Decker Dustbuster Cordless. Sometimes the smallest messes can be the most troublesome. For example, a small box of rice or cat litter that has been tracked around the house. The Dustbuster CHV1410L is a very affordable vacuum that weighs in at 2.6 pounds. It features an onboard brush, a rotating nozzle, and an extendable crevice tool to reach into cabinets behind and under car seats. Although it isn't the best choice for Garfield's spot on the couch, the Dustbuster can be used to eliminate any dust bunnies under the sofa. The Dustbuster handheld vacuum is similar to the Hoover Lynx. It can be used for quick bursts of cleaning, with reviewers stating that it lasts between 10 to 15 minutes. Pros: affordable. Great for quick cleanups. A narrow crevice tool can be useful for small spaces. Cons: the battery is not user replaceable. Coming in number 4. Dyson V11 Torque Vacuum Cleaners. Good Housekeeping and Wirecutter both recommend Dyson's V11 series cordless stick vacuum for its power and reliability. The Dyson V11 Torque is their most powerful model. It features a strong nylon bristle for deep cleaning and an LED screen that allows you to switch between cleaning modes. The Dyson V11 Torque charging station can be mounted to the wall to make it easy to store and charge between uses. This Dyson also includes the dynamic load sensor, which allows you to automatically switch between different motor speeds on different surfaces. Although this Dyson is one of the more expensive options, it won't be hard to argue that the added features are not worth the extra cost. Pros: battery life of 60 minutes. Fantastic filtration. Power adjustments and automatic suction. Cons: expensive. Coming in number 3. Eureka NES 510 Flash Lightweight. You shouldn't overlook the Eureka Flash Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This budget-friendly option has all the same suction power as a more expensive model, but without the added expense. This pick was able, with absolute ease, to slide into tight spaces when it came time to complete the obstacle course. The only problem was the bulky and long cord. To make it easier to move around your space, most stick vacuums do not have a cord. Although this is not ideal, it makes this vacuum stand out from the rest because of its smaller size. Pros: easy and quick assembly. Strong suction for most surfaces. Light is included in the floor head. Cons: the cord is bulky and heavy. Coming in number 2. Shark Apex DuoClean Self-Cleaning. Shark's Apex vacuum boasts the best brush roller that can self-clean and can handle hard floors and carpets. This vacuum was quietest and performed well in Good Housekeeping's cleaning tests. The vacuum can be used in an upright or canister model with all the accessories. We love the HEPA filter seal that protects the vacuum. The materials did not scatter when the vacuum lifted the floor head from the ground. Plus, it pulled itself around the surfaces. Shark Apex DuoClean can be folded in half with the self-cleaning brush roll upright. It is suitable for smaller apartments as well as larger households with pets. Pros: self-cleaning DuoClean brush roll. Dual upright canister design. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Cons: heavy. Coming in number 1. Bissell Cleanview Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Cleanview Vacuum Cleaner is an affordable vacuum cleaner that features technology to pick up more debris in one pass. There are also plenty of accessories on board for different projects. This vacuum cleaner is great for completing projects quickly because of its extra-wide cleaning path. The Cleanview Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is one of the most popular models. It has many special features that make vacuuming easy. You'll find many useful tools on board, such as a crevice tool and a brush for dusting, and even a turbo brush, which can be used to clean up furniture. Although the multi-level filter system is not HEPA, it helps trap more dust and can be washed between projects. This floor cleaner is the best for keeping your home clean. Pros: it is easy to empty the canister. Large 13.5-inch cleaning path. Amazing accessories for your onboard vehicle. Cons: the 1-liter capacity is a little low.